Can coal mines help solve our water scarcity problem? It might sound crazy, but in these small villages in East India, the first steps have been taken to balance the water deficit. It started in December 2021 when the residents of Pondi Panchayat in Jharkhand's Ramgarh district heard an unfamiliar sound: running water. It wasn't from a new well or a government pipeline, but from Ara Mine number 8, a relic of the Central Coalfields Limited, which has been dormant for over 2 decades. A study by the Central Mine Planning and Design Institute found that 437 mine voids across the country hold a staggering 2,760 lakh kiloliters of water per year. That's enough to fill 1,10,400 Olympic-sized pools. The institute has identified 22 plot sites across 6 states, with 8 in Jharkhand alone. The government has also earmarked mines where mining activities are ceased and plan to utilize the water accumulated in the mine voids.
143 कोल माइंस का माइन क्लोजर एक्टिविटी पर ध्यान दे रहे हैं हम। उसमें जो वाटर होगा, जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन होगा, लोकल कम्युनिटी को उपयोग होगा, जो एनवायरनमेंट दृष्टिकोण से भी पूरा लाभ अलग अलग प्रांतों को माइन एरिया में मिलेगा।
But isn't this water toxic? According to CMPDI, unlike Western nations where mine water is acidic, the water from most Indian coal mines, except for those in the northeast, is suitable for domestic, industrial, and agricultural use with only moderate treatment.
एसिडिक वाटर की प्रॉब्लम्स मोस्ट ऑफ द माइंस में नहीं है। तो जहाँ भी सल्फर कंटेंट कम होगा वहाँ एसिडिटी की प्रॉब्लम कम होगी, एसिड माइन ड्रेनेज कम होगा, वहाँ हेवी मेटल कंटेंट भी कम होगा।
A plant with a capacity of 1.4 million liters per day was set up for the filtration process. The community even appointed 2 women known as Jal Sahiyas to inspect the pipelines and collect a monthly tax of just 62 rupees per household, ensuring the system's sustainability.
That is a motor room. From there, every day, motor gets switched on, the water gets lifted from these pipes and it goes to the filtration plant, which is at about 500 meters. From there, it goes to the overhead tank and it reaches villages.
हम लोग को कम से कम 1600 घरों में हम लोग पानी पीने योग्य अभी दे पा रहे हैं।
फायदा यही हो रहा है कि पहले जाना पड़ता था, नदी कुआं बहुत दूर था, 1 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ता था, तब नहीं जाना पड़ता है, घर में यही पानी से बन जाता है, खाना वाना भी पीने का भी काम हो जाता है।
This success is not an isolated case. Coal India Limited is already supplying water to 878 villages, benefiting over 11.74 lakh people. The NLC India Limited in Tamil Nadu provides treated mine water to 9.55 lakh residents. And in Nagpur, a coal need plant provides purified water while creating income for women self-help groups. A 24/7 water ATM has already been set up in Dhanbad. Discharged mine water is being treated at multiple levels to provide drinking water, where a 20-liter can costs just 10 rupees.
We have proposed a project with the district administration to have at least 200 projects. Not only in Dhanbad, we are planning it to expand this to Bokaro as well, Bokaro, Devghar, other districts also.
The benefits don't stop at drinking water. These abandoned mine pits are also becoming a source of livelihood. Studies show they can be transformed into thriving fish farms.
लगभग 74 की समिति बनाए हैं और इसमें हम लोग अभी एक साइट पे कम से कम 40 लोग काम कर रहे हैं और 40 लोग का है कि हम लोग 50 से 60 टन हम लोग पर ईयर मछली को हम लोग निकालते हैं और उसी में निकाल के आज हम लोग अपना घर परिवार 40 लोगों का चल रहा है और चलते ही आज प्रोडक्शन अच्छा हो रहा है और अभी हम लोग 3 कोल माइंस में ये काम चल रही है।
Coal mines have always been associated with extraction, exploitation of Earth's resources, and pollution. But India is slowly and silently turning them into a source of life and livelihoods.